Hey everybody, I'm Will with REI. This here is REI's sleeping pad repair kit. Alright, we've all been there where we've popped a hole in our sleeping pad. Maybe you went to bed with your earrings still in, only to find them stuck nicely into your pad as you slept across the cold, uneven surface in the morning. In those circumstances, this kit is going to be exactly what you're looking for, and it's a breeze to use. Alright, first things first, you're going to inflate the pad, and then you're going to cover it with a bit of soapy water to help locate where the puncture is. Once you've found that little geyser of bubbles coming out, mark the spot, rinse off the pad and let it fully dry, and then apply just a little dollop of the adhesive here to the puncture. Give yourself about 2 hours for it to dry, and then you'll be good to go and ready to reinflate. Now in the case that you get a slightly larger hole in your pad, say you forgot your hiking heels while you were going to sleep at night, we also have this assortment of different color options so that you can patch up that hole with just the right color. And in those rarest of circumstances in which your sleeping pad was the last line of defense from a bear attack, we even have this Chinunga patch here to cover up large tears. So, if you're tired of your pad being a pincushion, and if you can really appreciate the difference between a cobalt blue and a Bahama azure, come check out the REI Sleeping Pad Repair Kit. And don't forget to bring your questions to the experts at your local REI.